In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress picture in Excel. If your workbook feels heavy, takes too long to open, or is difficult to share by email, image size is often the reason. Compressing pictures reduces file size and helps Excel run more smoothly, while still keeping your visuals clear enough for their purpose. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by selecting the picture you want to compress. Click directly on the image inside your worksheet. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around the edges. As soon as it's selected, Excel reveals the Picture Format tab in the ribbon. That tab only appears when an image is active, so if you don't see it, click the picture again. If you're working with multiple images, focus on one at a time for the most control. This keeps you from accidentally applying settings to the wrong graphic. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab and choose Compress Pictures. Depending on your version of Excel, the button may be labeled slightly differently or grouped with other image tools, but it's typically easy to spot on that tab. If the option looks grayed out, it means no picture is currently selected. Simply click the image again. You can also use the search box in the ribbon to find Compress Pictures if you prefer. Clicking it opens a dialog where all the key compression options live. Now adjust the resolution to match how the picture will be used. Lower resolutions create much smaller files, which is ideal for sharing by email or viewing on screen. Higher resolutions preserve more detail for printing. Common choices include a web or email-friendly setting for on-screen viewing and a print-friendly setting for documents that will be printed. Inside the dialog, you'll also see options that control the scope of the change. Apply only to this picture if you want to compress just the selected image, or uncheck that to apply your chosen resolution to every picture in the workbook. There's typically a setting to delete cropped areas of pictures as well. Enabling it can save more space by removing hidden parts you've trimmed away, but only use it if you're confident you won't need to restore those cropped areas later. When you're satisfied, confirm your choices, and Excel applies the compression. That's it. Click the picture, open Compress Pictures, and adjust the resolution that best fits your needs. With just these steps, you'll keep your workbook lean, responsive, and easier to share without sacrificing clarity where it matters.